namin, syempre, una-una na, si Mr. Randy Santiago, na very close sa amin na mundo. Syempre, si Miss Pops Fernandez,
Wow.
sa ating concert queen.
Yeah, mga close sa amin.
Mga
Tsaka,
icons, di ba?
naging bahagi din ng 25 years namin in one way or another. Kasama din po namin si Miss Kay Rosas and si
Ethel
Ethel
Buba.
Buba.
Kasama namin sa
Sa
Singgaling,
Singgaling.
sa ED5.
Yun. Malaking bahagi din yung Singgaling sa amin eh. Nung nangyari yun, pandemic pa yun, that was a big thing na we were part of a show that was inspiring people, making people happy during that time na mayroong mga hindi maganda nangyayari sa mundo. Pero, you know, we were giving back, we were making people happy. So we felt na maganda maging bahagi sila din ng show. And then we also have Dylan Lenore and of course our Jada, si Sheila.
Okay, 25 years na kayo, di ba? Pero sa industry, alam ko si Ding Dong, 4 decades na. Tama?
Next year officially.
O di ba? 40 na. Si Jessa, 30.
As a, hindi, siya actually more, pero 30 as a artist, as a singer. As a singer.
Pero as an actress,
8 years old pa lang siya nasa Miss
Diyos ko,
League.
Anyway, speaking of matagal, ano ba ang sikreto hanggang ngayon? Uso pa rin si Jessa, uso pa rin si Ding Dong.
Uso. Ano ba?
Andiyan pa rin kayo.
Well, I think, you know, being relevant is something na you just don't, of course, you think about it, especially as an artist. I mean, you know, mapakatotoo tayo. That's always the idea is, how do you always make yourself relevant? And it's constantly figuring out, dapat you know your market. Tapos, how do you cater to your market? And then, you have to have a balance. Para sa akin to, na, hindi rin maganda na mag-overexpose ng artist. It's not also good. After a while, mauuma yung tao. So, kailangan balansin mo yan. No? Kailan ka iingay, tapos kailan yung okay lang, steady ka lang. And, I don't know if you agree, but one thing that also makes us more relevant now is our daughter, si Jada, who's creating a career of her own. So, you know, it helps that, you know, there's someone from this generation that yung generation niya, nakikilala kami. Baliktad na nga eh. Yung daddy ni Jada.
yung nanay ni Jada.
May ganun.
Nanay ni Jada.
Oo, di ba? Narinig ko yung minsan eh. Cute lang.
Pero I think, malaking bagay din, syempre, yung naiambag namin sa music industry. Like ako, yung sa show ko sa show ko sa Virginia, sa DMV, yung audience ko doon, sabi ko nga, isa sa pinaka masaya at mainit na audience na nakasama ko sa buong karera ko as a singer. Kasi grabe, from start to finish, lahat ng songs na kinanta ko, kabisado nila, lalo na yung mga hit songs. Kahit, pinost ko nga yun sa social media ko eh. Nung kinanta ko, lalo na yung Bakit Pa. Sabi ko, alam niyo ba yung Bakit Pa? 29 years ago ko yun na-release. 29 years. Pero nung kinanta nila, talagang, parang kahapon ko lang siya ni-release. Ang grabe talaga, with conviction nilang kinakanta. Naiyak nga ako eh, nung time na yun. Nung kinanta ko yung Bakit Pa. Kasi sobrang naramdaman ko yung energy nila. At saka talagang, habang kinakanta nila, parang yung mga mukha nila, feel nila, parang Pilipino ako, kumakanta ako ng Bakit Pa. Parang gano'n. Kasi gano'n talaga.
Nakatayong lahat.
Nakatayong
lahat.
Tsaka yung venue, let me also share, I was a witness to that. Chaperon ako nun, hindi yung show niya lang yun. Pero nung nakikita ko yung mga tao nun, ano yan eh, nag-sold out na sila, but then our producers told us, there were more people coming in. But the venue kasi, they call it a black box. Pwede nilang gawin theater style. It's a studio. So, So, buti na lang ganun kasi they were forced to add seats. But this is the first time now that that studio got filled to the brim. Tsaka yung air conditioning, hindi sa sobrang dami ng tao, sobrang, hindi mo na maramdaman yung lamig ng aircon. So, sasaramdam mo yung energy nila kasi paglabas pa lang ni Jessa, or actually, ano ka pa lang doon, ramdam mo na excited talaga sila. And they were just really singing. And the interesting part about it, because I was observing, they come from different age brackets. Hindi lang siya yung sa age niya or sa era namin, but there were people there that were younger.
Oo, yung
Diba?
mga lalapit sa akin tapos sasabihin sa akin, you know, I don't speak Tagalog, but I love your song. I know your song. I grew up with your songs.
Tapos may mga, syempre, ibang mga doon, na nakatira na doon, asawa nila, well, doon, hindi sila foreigner.
Mga fan.
O mga fam, sila, they were so engaged. And I think they knew, some of them knew bakit pa, yung Tagalog songs. But the others, diba, you were singing mga English covers, they were just really, sobrang, I felt that they were really connected with you. So,
Thank you.